In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add shapes to a mind map in draw.io for Confluence and Jira, step by step, so you can visually organize ideas, tasks, and workflows directly inside your Jira issues or Confluence pages. This is perfect for agile teams, project managers, and anyone who wants cleaner, more visual documentation. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into Jira using your browser. Once you're inside Jira, navigate to your project board. In this example, I'm opening my Scrum project so I can access an issue where I want to add a mind map. After the board loads, click on your team or project space so you can see the list of tasks. From here, select any task where you want to attach a draw.io diagram. This will open the Issue Details panel. Now look toward the top right area of the task and click on the three dots menu. This opens additional options for the issue. From the dropdown, choose Add Draw.io Diagram. This will launch the Draw.io editor directly inside Jira. Once the Draw.io window opens, you'll see several diagram templates to choose from. Go ahead and click on the Mind Map option. This is important because it automatically gives you a layout optimized for brainstorming and hierarchical thinking. After selecting Mind Map, click on Create. The editor will now load a blank mind map canvas. At this point, you can start adding and editing shapes however you like. Click on the central node to rename it, then add branches for your main ideas. To add new shapes, simply use the plus icons or the shape tools available in the editor. You can resize shapes, change colors, and reposition them to match your workflow or planning style. Once you're happy with your changes, click on Save inside the Draw.io editor. After saving, click OK to confirm and attach the diagram to your Jira issue. Now, back in the Jira issue, you can add additional details. Click into the text field and type something like highlight to emphasize key information related to your diagram. After typing, click Save, then click OK to confirm. You can repeat this process if you want to add more highlights or notes. Just type in your text again, click Save, and then click OK. Your mind map with shapes is now fully added and saved within Jira using draw.io. You can reopen and edit it anytime by clicking on the diagram. And that's it. You've successfully added shapes to a mind map in draw.io for Confluence and Jira, making your tasks and ideas much more visual and easier to understand. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.